Hi guys and girls, welcome to public media. Okay, now I'm going to share an idea to create a pencil. Okay, for that, first of all, open the Photoshop like this, and then go to the file menu, and then click on new, and then create a new file here. For that, define the size here with the 4 and the height 4 and the resolution 300. You can create according to your choice, but I do this. Okay, now click on OK. Okay, this is my file. Now create a shape here. For that, first of all, click on rectangular marquee tool here, click here, and draw a shape here. Okay, this is a shape. Now you can fill the color. To fill the color, first of all, create a new layer here, click on here. Now you can fill the color here. To fill the color, first of all, go to the pen bucket tool here, click here. Now you can fill the color here. Okay, now you can move the selection here. To move the selection, use the move key. Okay, move key on the keyboard. Now I'm moving the selection. Now okay, now you can fill the next color. To fill the next color, go to the foreground color menu here, click here, and select the color. This one, yellow one, click on OK. Now go to the pen bucket tool. Okay, pen bucket tool, and then click inside the selection here. Okay, this one. Now again move the selection. Okay, move the selection like this, and then fill the color again. To change the color, click here and select the color. I select this red one. Okay, click on OK. Now again click on inside the selection here. Okay, now press Ctrl D for deselect. Okay, now click on move tool here. Now you can move the layer like this. Okay, this is a layer. Okay, I'm going to create a pencil. Okay, now click on pen tool here, and then draw the shape again here. Click here, click and click. Okay, now increase the size of canvas. For that, press Control and the plus. Okay, Control plus. Okay, now you can edit here. For that, go to the direct selection tool, and then you can do this. Okay, like this, and then like this. Okay, now click inside of the shape here, right click here, and click on make selection. Now click on OK. Now let's fill the color here. Okay, for that, go to the foreground color here, foreground color tool here, click here and select the color. Okay, let's select this color. Okay, like this here. Okay, now click on OK, and then go to the pen bucket tool here, click here and click inside the selection here. Okay, now press Ctrl D for deselect the layer. Okay, and then now again use the rectangular marquee tool here, click here and draw a shape here. Okay, draw a shape here. Okay, Okay. Yes, now fill the color again here. Let's fill the color. For that, go to the foreground color tool here. Click here. Select the black color. Black color is matchable here. Click here and click on OK. Now click on pen bucket tool here. Yes. Now click inside of selection. Yes. Okay. Now press Ctrl D for the select. Okay. Now it is about to ready our pencil. Now press Ctrl and 0 at the same time for real size. Okay. Actual size. Now press Ctrl T. Ctrl T and pull the pencil to make long. Okay. Pull like this. Okay. Pull like this. This is pencil. Now you can resize the pencil according to your choice. This is pencil, handsome pencil here. Okay. You can bend, you can rotate like this. Okay. You can resize the pencil. Okay, like this. Now press Enter key. Okay. Enter key. Now you can copy the pencil. To copy the pencil, press Ctrl J. Ctrl J again. Once more. Yeah. There are so many pencils I have already copied. Okay. For now, you can pull like this. Okay. Here are all the pencils. Like this. There are so many pencils. Guys, it is very easy to create a pencil. My guys, I have shown you idea to create a pencil. Is it? Now you can group the pencils. To group the pencils, first of all hide the background, and then you can group the pencil. Means you can merge the pencil. To merge the pencils, press Ctrl Shift and E. Okay. Okay. Now this is single layer. Okay. This is single layer. Yeah. This is single layer. Now you can show the background also. To show the background, click here. Okay. Wow. Thank you very much.